When my sons were small, I loved decorating our home for fall and Halloween. I can remember the excitement as we would pull out all the decorations and how eager my boys were to go shopping to pick out their Halloween costumes. It's been many, many years since I've celebrated Halloween or decorated my home for Halloween, but now that I have grandkids, I thought I would combine the two and celebrate more of a Fall-o-ween. I decided to plan a weekend where we could just enjoy the fall season and a few fall activities while also adding just a little bit of Halloween.
When I'm not here, it's like I'm falling, and I don't know why I feel pain. 'Cause when I'm not here, I keep on falling. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see you. I'm waiting for something to change. 'Cause when I'm not here, it's like I'm falling, and I don't know why I feel pain. 'Cause when I'm not here, I keep on falling.
The mantle turned out so great. I'm telling you, you don't have to go to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, any places like that to buy stuff to put a beautiful mantle together. You can go outside and just get stuff as long as you're not allergic to it. I love using things from nature and then just adding in little touches that I already own. I don't really want to go out and buy a lot of fall items because I tend to use the same fall items year after year, but I think if you add just some of the outdoors into whatever you're doing for fall, I think it just makes it a little bit more elevated and just a little bit more like fall because you are bringing the outdoors inside. The little bats, I think they're adorable. I wouldn't do this unless I was having the grandkids over. My grandson probably couldn't care less about that. I think my granddaughters are going to love it. And also while they're here, we're doing like a spooky season weekend. I'm going to do some like Halloween or what I call Fall-o-ween activities with them. We're going to watch a little spooky movie, nothing grotesque because I can't handle things like that. So it's probably be a little cutesy Halloween movie. We're going to be making pizza. We're going to be making sugar cookie pizza. We're going to be outside. I may be taking some pictures of them outside because it's so beautiful. But I don't like them to be on their phones all the time while they're here. And I picked up this puzzle I thought we could all do together in the dining room. It's a 1,000-piece Halloween puzzle. It is so adorable. I haven't put a puzzle together in years. When my mother was alive, she lived with me. She loved doing puzzles. She would have one most of the time sitting there in the kitchen that she was working on. But I think this would be a fun activity just to keep them off the phone. And also for my granddaughters, I found these shirts. I picked up one for the three of us. It says, "Ghouls just want to have fun." I thought it'd be so cute to wear these when we're having our little spooky season weekend. I think that is just adorable. And then I found us some Halloween press-on nails. I think they are just so cute. So I thought that'd be a cute little activity to do. And then I'm just going to put them in these little gift bags and give them to the girls when they get here. And I also picked up like some little Halloween earrings. I think they are adorable. But I think this is something cute that we could do together. And like I said, I really just want to keep them off their phones and their tablets. I know they're going to get on them at some point when they're here on the weekends, but for the majority of the time, I just like doing activities with them. Hey girls!
Hey Gigi!
Are you ready for a Fall-o-ween weekend?
Yes!
Come on in. My grandkids arrived later in the evening, so after dinner, we started on the puzzle, but never finished it because all during the weekend we were so caught up in all the fall activities I'd planned for us, but we did try to give it our best shot. Oh, you got, is that some of the roof? What is that?
It's the roof.
Oh yeah, it is, yeah. Okay, cool.
I think we found it.
Baking is not my strong suit, so whenever I do bake, it has to be super easy with minimal ingredients. I decided we would do an apple pie bake-off just like you see in every fall Hallmark movie, and we had the best time creating these little apple pies.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember.
Peel it away. And then you just hold it like this,
Everything is
just to save it, and
turning
keep that there.
into gold.
Just keep it right there. And then
When the
what
autumn
we'll do,
leaves are playing chases, puts a
apples.
smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low. Dancing through the last days of September.
Oh yes, this just looks so good.
Yep. And then put some sugar.
Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chases, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for my mind's accelerating.
I had such a great time with my grandkids. I may have had more fun than they did. It was such a wonderful Fall-o-ween weekend, jam-packed with activities, which kept me on the go the entire time they were here. I had a small project I wanted to complete on the porch before they arrived, but didn't get around to it, so the next day I spent some time outdoors arranging a couple of fall planters.
You could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kind of feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold you.
If you have followed me for a while on this channel or on my other channel, you know that I'm not a huge fan of faux florals. I like dried florals. I love getting stuff from outdoors and bringing it inside, but I don't have a green thumb. I have two plants that I've kept now for a couple of years that I'm very proud of, but other than that, everything dies on me. And I wanted some beautiful pops of orange on the porch for fall. So I found these outdoor flowers, and they really don't look that bad. Up close, they have some texture to them. It almost feels like a silk. They do. They weren't that expensive. And I have some planters I found maybe 2 or 3 years ago from Lowe's. They were on clearance after summer. And I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with them. So I thought, why not put these inside of the planters for a little pop of color on the porch? But to make them look a little bit more real, just get some branches, some leaves from out in the yard, and just make it look a little bit less faux and a little bit more elevated and a little bit more real. I think combining the two is going to make beautiful planters for the front porch.
My mind's accelerating, and I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand. things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kind of feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way you look at me, and it's hard to explain it. Thinking about you makes me crazy. All the things you did to me, you showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold.
Don't eat this. This is not a toy. This is not a snack, okay?
My mind's accelerating, your eyes intoxicating. I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay.